Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss remainder theorem from the polynomial topic. So before discussing remainder theorem, let us discuss one example which you studied in the previous class. And the example is, find the remainder when px equals to x square plus 5x plus 4 is divided by gx equals to x plus 2. So our px is equals to x square plus 5x plus 4, and we have to divide it by x plus 2. So in previous class you studied the long division method for the division of polynomials. So let us divide it by long division method. So by x plus 2 you have to divide x square plus 5x plus 4. So first of all, as you know, you need x. So x into x, x square plus 2x. Subtract like terms, x square will be cancelled and 5x minus 2x will be equals to 3x. Pull down 4 also and the dividend will become 3x plus 4. Now you need 3 to complete your division. So 3 into x is equals to 3x and 3 2s are 6. Subtract like terms again, change the signs, and 3x minus 3x 0 and 4 minus 6 will be equals to minus 2. So here you have to stop your division because now the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. And you know, to check this division, the formula is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And you can see divisor, dividend and quotient as well as remainder all are the polynomials. So you can write dividend is px equals to divisor was gx into quotient is a polynomial of x, so you can write qx plus remainder is minus 2, so you can write it is also a polynomial, so you can write rx. You know minus 2 is a constant polynomial. So now you have to use the same method for the remainder theorem also. Why we are using this? Let us see one magic. Our gx is equals to x plus 3. So put it equals to 0 and x will be equals to minus 2. Take 2 to the right side, it will become negative. Replace x equals to minus 2 in px. So p of minus 2 will be equals to minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 4, which is equals to 4 minus 10 plus 8, which is equals to minus 2. So from here you can say that your p of minus 2 will be equals to the remainder of the question. On the basis of this, we have to prove our remainder theorem. So now let us see the statement of the theorem. Let px be any polynomial of degree greater than equals to 1 and let a be any real number if px is divided by the linear polynomial, that is x minus a, then the remainder will be pa. So remember this statement that px is divided by a linear polynomial, that is x minus a, and the remainder will be p of a. So how we have to prove it? We know the statement that is px means dividend equals to divisor into quotient, that is qx plus remainder. Remember the last statement of the question, that is px is divided by linear polynomial x minus a. So dividend, that is gx, will be equals to x minus a. So therefore px will become, replace gx equals to x minus a. So x minus a whole into qx as it is plus r. So now what you have to do, see your gx again and put gx equals to 0. Gx is x minus a, so x minus a equals to 0, and therefore x will be equals to a. Take a to the right side, it will become positive. Now see your equation number 1, and in this equation you have to replace the value of x. By replacing the value of x, you will get your solution. So you know the value of x is equals to a, so replace the value of x in equation number 1. Now let us see what will happen. P of x, it is the name of polynomial, so it will become, replace x by a, it will be p of a, and x minus a will become a minus a whole into qx plus r, that is remainder. Now p of a will be equals to, as you know that a minus a will be equals to 0 whole into qx plus r. Now 0 into qx will become 0. So you can see that your remainder will be equals to PA, which is the required solution. Now let us see how to apply this theorem, solve questions. So here first type of question is, find the remainder when px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by gx, 5 plus 2x. So here we have to apply a remainder theorem to solve this question. So we know that px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and if this px is divided by gx, that is 5 plus 2x, then we have to find out remainder. I repeat, if px is divided by gx, then find remainder. And remember that remainder theorem is applied in the case of if your divisor is a linear polynomial. So you can see in gx the degree of variable is 1, or gx equals to 5 plus 2x. What we have to do? Put 5 plus 2x equals to 0 and find out the value of x. So take 5 to the right side, it will become negative, and x will be minus 5 upon 2. Now according to remainder theorem, we have to replace this value of x in our polynomial, that is px. So let us replace this value. What will come? Because we know that our px was equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So here we have to replace the value of x equals to minus 5 upon 2 will be equals to minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Now simplify it. Minus 5 upon 2 whole cube will be minus 125 is the cube of 5 upon 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into minus 5 square is plus 25 upon 2 2s are 4. 3 into minus 5 upon 2 is minus 15 upon 2. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 plus 1 as it is. Now let us take LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 8, 4 and 2 and the LCM will be 8. Now 8 1 ja 8, so minus 125, 1 ja minus 125, 25 3 ja 75, multiply by 2 equals to 150 minus 2 4 ja 8, so 4 15 ja 60 plus 1. Add the negative terms separately, so minus 125 minus 60 will be minus 185 and plus 151. 150 plus 1 are positive, subtract them, 34 will come and it will be negative because negative sign is with larger number, so the answer will be minus 34 upon 8. Both are divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 17 2s are 34. So minus 17 upon 4 is your answer. So you can say that remainder is equals to, because in question you are asked to find out the remainder, so remainder will be minus 17 upon 4, which is your required answer. Now let us see one more type of question. Check whether 7 plus 3x is the factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not. Means you have to check whether first polynomial is the factor of second or not. So remember the statement. It is question number 3 of your exercise 2.3. So take px equals to 3x cube plus 7x, which was your dividend, and you know we have to check whether the second polynomial, that was gx equals to 7 plus 3x, is the factor of px or not. So first of all, take 7 plus 3x, that is gx equals to 0, because it is the divisor, and from here you have to find out the value of variable. So take 7 to the right side, it will become minus 7 and x will become minus 7 upon 3. 3 is in multiplication, it will go in divide. Now replace the value of x in your polynomial. Is px equals to 3x cube plus 7x. So p of minus 7 upon 3 will be 3 into minus 7 upon 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3. Now simplify it. It will be 3 into minus 7 cube is 343. It will be negative upon 3 cube is 27. 7 into minus 7 is minus 49 upon 3. So you can see in the first part 3 and 27 can be cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. Now take LCM of the denominators and LCM will be 9. So 9 1 ja 9 and 343 1 ja minus 343 and 3 3 ja 9. So 49 into 3 is 147. So minus 343 minus 147 both are negative, so will be added and the answer will be minus 490 upon 9. So you know your answer is not equals to 0. So you can say that 7 plus 3x is not the factor of 3x cube plus 7x. But remember, if remainder equals to 0, then it will be a factor. Thank you and keep smiling.